buying some. Hey girlies, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Reliance, and y'all, like, into this video we're gonna be doing a home maintenance vlog. So yeah, like, I basically did everything at home: my hair, my brows, and also my nails. Yeah, can y'all see there? So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how I got all this done at home, and this is practically a low budget maintenance vlog because I literally spent nothing on this vlog. I think that is actually because I've got most of the things that I needed at home. Excited, y'all. Like, am I the only one that actually feels super happy and excited when I get my hair, nails, and lashes done? Because, like, I feel like literally all my problems are over. I cannot be the only person that feel that way. But anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm super excited because I love feeling good. I love having my hair done, my nails, my lashes, and everything. It just gives me a kind of confidence that yes, I'm here, like, I have arrived, bro. So like, this is my first time getting this cornrow, this type of cornrow done. I saw this idea on Pinterest, and I decided to do exactly the same cornrow, but y'all, I did not use a hair extension because y'all, like, I have laid off hair extensions for a very long time. I think it's probably 4 months. That is because they were really ruining my edges, and y'all, like, the tension, the pressure on my edges, I did not want that. And my edges are really starting to regrow back since I stopped using hair extension. I'm super excited about that. So yeah, like, I'm gonna be using hair extension, but just not anytime soon. The thing I'm gonna be doing in this maintenance vlog is my hair, and for the nails I'm gonna be doing pink French tips. These are the ones that gave me the inspiration. I saw this ones on Pinterest. Yeah. Enough talking, and let's get into this video. So we are already braiding our hair, so this is what the hair looks like. I'm just gonna go right ahead and finish up this other side because I definitely cannot do that on camera because I don't know, y'all, it's just not my positioning of my camera and where I start to braid my hair. It's just too different because I'm gonna stay like close to my window because I need a lot of brightness, and y'all, it's just so hard to explain. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna show y'all what the finished product looks like. So the lashes are still looking good, so definitely gonna be changing them. I'm gonna be shaving my brows because they're looking bushy, and I'm gonna be getting my nails done by myself because y'all, this is gonna be like a DIY maintenance vlog because I obviously do everything myself. So yeah, I think it's just gonna be it. So today is the 9th of July. So yes, so anyways, guys, we're just gonna try to finish everything and see how the rest of the day goes. And y'all, like, the time is already 2 p.m. because I started doing this hair by 12. I kind of like just got like delayed and sidetracked a little bit, but this is basically 2 p.m. right now, so we'll definitely have to finish up this hair so I can do some other things. But if there's some things that I cannot meet up to do today, I'm gonna do them tomorrow. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow still on this vlog. So yeah.
You wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on reflecting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more. You hurt me.
guys, so yesterday I finished braiding my hair, but I could not go out to get my nail supplies so I can get my nails done, because I basically finished by 5 p.m. So yeah, it was pretty late, so I decided to do some other stuff at home. So anyways guys, today I'm gonna be going out to get my nail supplies and then some other things, because like, I want to get some things for the project that I'm working on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking y'all to the fabric store and also to where I'm gonna get my nail supplies. So yeah, I was actually thinking of getting a press-on nail, but like the French tip type that I mostly wear, because I have been wearing French tips a lot. So I decided that I should change that and probably do my nails myself this time. But I have the powder. I don't have the monomer to do my nails, and when it's not in my budget today, like if I'm gonna be doing my nails myself, it's just gonna be gel nails. So I don't know y'all, but let's just see how it works. I might decide to get my nails done by myself or to just get press on and then just glue them on. So I'm already ready to go out, y'all. So I just need to fix my hair a little bit, do my edges, and then I'm just gonna take y'all along with me.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that.
Yeah, so like I was doing some picture taking for the clothes that I actually worked on, so that is the reason why I'm actually coming back to continue this vlog pretty late. And if y'all do not follow me on my Instagram, go check out my Instagram at sheisre on everything. I'm just gonna be posting those pictures there. The weather right now, it is very cold. Like it is crazy cold. It did not actually rain today, just like it does other days, but it is still pretty cold outside. I went to the market. I had to throw on a jacket because that dress I was wearing was just not okay for the cold for me. So I had to do that because I don't want to catch a cold. So y'all, like, please ignore the noise in the background. I think they're doing some construction around like in my neighborhood. But anyways y'all, like I stopped by to get like some sewing supplies because yeah, I told you that I was gonna do that. So these are, I just got some plastic because like I needed them for the project that I'm gonna be making. So I ended up buying some little beads because I don't know y'all, I just think they're cute. So I ended up buying some beads and I love beads. They look a little bit crystal like. I want to make like a hand bead with this one, so I don't really know why I got this one actually, but it just looked pretty nice because it is green, you know, it's giving emerald vibes. Since I'm gonna be doing my nails by myself, so I decided that I do not want to get the French tips anymore because I just want to change something else. So I'm gonna check on Pinterest to see what I really want to do, but I don't want to do too much because I just want something simple and not too long at the same time. So we're just gonna check on Pinterest to see what to do with our nails. So now it is currently 6:14 or something like that. So I cannot do my nails this night. I'm gonna be doing my nails tomorrow. No, I'm gonna be going out tomorrow. So I don't really know y'all, but we're just gonna see what day it is when I get my nails done. So bye.
And you love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just felt like that. Yeah, maybe we just felt like that. Times I don't want you around. Do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way.
So this is the rhinestone that I'm gonna be using, and that should be basically after I've used this one. I should put the top coat. I just threw my, oh my goodness.
Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no.
Alright, so it is the next next day and I'm currently filming another video right now. So but I decided to show you what my nails looks like. So this is what my nails are looking like. I ended up just putting some cute rhinestones on them, just like a ring. So I just basically did the same pattern. So anyways guys, I finished doing my nails last night. Yeah, I think I finished doing my nails. Like, it basically took me like an hour to finish like doing my nails. So I had to reapply some top coat because like I think some of them did not dry properly, so they got like some scratches. So I had to reapply top coat this morning. So I really love these nails. How the nails came out, they are super cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shape my brows first. I don't know, y'all. Yeah, I'm just gonna shape my brows. That is kind of like the last thing that I'm gonna be doing in this video. So I'm just gonna shape my brows.
Like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad.
I'm gonna be shaving them too tiny because I love my brows looking thicker and fuller and dark. So I'm just gonna be taking off the excess of it, not too much.
Like that.
And guys, I'm actually done with my brows, so this is what they're looking like right now. Really clean. So yeah, I love them, and I'm actually excited because my brows are growing out a lot. Because some years back I actually shaved my brows in a way that it was looking too thin, and bro, that was not good. Super excited that they're looking fuller and thicker. Yo, like I feel so super refreshed and excited about this maintenance vlog. Like I really love my hair, how it came out. Like, y'all, this is my best cornrow ever, because like I remember the last time that I got cornrows in a hair salon because they keep pulling out my edges. I just feel so refreshed and clean in my nails. Like, this is super cute. It is giving. I really love this nails, yo. Like, I don't know, there's just something about the nails that makes me so excited whenever I look at them. That is basically it for my maintenance vlog. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video because I had so much fun creating this video with y'all, for y'all. Yes, and guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. So let's stay till the end, okay? So yeah, that is actually a huge milestone for me, so I gotta hit it anytime soon. And stay tuned for whenever I post a video, so you'll be the first to know. I think that is it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go take some pictures for the gram, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video, so y'all stay tuned for that. So bye, peace, we out. I just want to show you my nails. Yeah.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call but it go home. I've been in this love too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy.